Alright, Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin Update today. And as far as I'm concerned with what Bitcoin is doing, it's a little bit troubling right now. And you know, it could be that $18,000, the gate for the $18,000 could be opened up. And remember that I've been telling you about 18,000 CME gap. So it seems like I have been proven wrong for the market. It rarely happens, but it is what it is. And for me personally, I was looking forward for a big falling wedge here, breakout, and a move to the upside because of how altcoins were looking. But now that the altcoins are dropping down, when Bitcoin was here, altcoins are already oversold with some bullish divergences and stuff like that. But unfortunately, altcoins have messed up. Okay, the simple truth. Altcoins are messing up. Altcoins are looking to drop down, and we could be looking for a potential discounted market right now, which is a good thing if someone is looking to get into some buying positions and stuff like that. So, what I'm gonna say is that there are short-term pains. Now, my personal view about the market is long-term, of course. Okay, I'm not trading as much, to be honest with you. I'm not like trading in the smaller time frames, and I'm not really bothered, to be honest with you, if Bitcoin does come down to 18,000 or 12,000 or stuff like that. I do possess a very different mindset right now because for me, I'm personally preparing for the next couple of years, and I don't think that I want to trade anymore in the short term frames because the short term is really, really just not so clear what you have to do, except for some few coins like Pepe. I've actually given out Pepe updates, and we've been winning some of the Pepe trades as well. Now, at the moment, what I'm going to say is that Bitcoin, to me personally, is as far as I'm concerned today, which is Saturday, you do have Bitcoin right now that is popping to the downside. So let's look at how the weekly is about to close. So if you look at the weekly, we do have Bitcoin right now again coming and taking the morning star out, and it seems like in the next 1 day 17 hours you're looking for a little bit of a push here. And if next week you do drop down again, which in my opinion is what is about to happen, then you're going to be forming a 3 black crows, and then from there it could actually be all the way down to even $18,000, one of the biggest discounts for Bitcoin once again. And the reason of the 18,000 level is because you do have a CME gap that is about to be filled at the moment. So basically, wicks like this come down and fill the wicks, fill the gaps, touch it, and then potentially try to move to the upside. Now, I wouldn't like the scenario of Bitcoin to come down and take out $14,000. If Bitcoin takes this level out, then we're going to be in some sort of a very, very big trouble for in the market. We might be looking for new lows up to 8,000 and 7,000 levels. These are the key areas that we must be looking at. So it is just a quick update on Bitcoin today, and I'm going to see you at the next one. Allah Hafiz.